In this video, you'll learn how to sell a product on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to create a listing and make your item available to potential buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the selling section located in the main menu. Look for the option labeled Create a New Listing and click on it. This action will open a listing form where you can enter the name of the product you want to. eBay may automatically suggest categories based on the name you provide. Selecting the most appropriate category is essential as it helps buyers find your item more efficiently. Next, you will need to add detailed information about the product. This includes the brand, condition, and any key features that may interest potential buyers. It is important to write a clear description that outlines exactly what the buyer will receive. Additionally, upload multiple high-quality images of the product taken from various angles. Good images enhance buyer confidence and can significantly impact their decision to purchase. While you are providing product details, set a competitive price and choose shipping options that align with your selling strategy. Accurate and comprehensive information can improve your chances of making a sale. Once you've filled out all necessary details, it's time to review your listing before publishing. Carefully check the title, price, shipping information, and description to ensure everything is correct. This step is crucial, as any mistakes could lead to confusion or deter potential buyers. When you are satisfied with the information provided, click on the button labeled List Item to make your product visible to buyers. After this action, your product will be included in eBay search results and category pages, making it accessible to a wide audience. After publishing your listing, you should actively monitor it for any buyer questions or offers. Engaging with potential buyers can help facilitate a smoother transaction process. Be prepared to respond promptly to inquiries, as this can influence a buyer's decision. Keep in mind that eBay allows for various types of listings, including auction style and fixed price listings, which can affect how buyers interact with your product. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.